How to screen share Netflix over Discord on a desktop. First of all, launch the desktop Discord app or desktop Discord web browser and log into your Discord account. Then, inside Discord apps tab, click the gear icon in Discord to access the user settings. Simply choose Registered Games from the left-hand panel and select Added option available there. Now Discord app, locate your browser and choose Add Game. For this guide, we use Chrome, which is reliable option for Netflix streaming. Enter a voice channel on a server. You will know it is a voice channel because of the speaker symbol by the channel name. Now open a new tab on your web browser and visit the Netflix homepage to sign in to your Netflix account. Click the screen button to begin the screen share. The icon looks like a small TV with an arrow on it. Now navigate to your tabs. If on Google Chrome, select Chrome tab and select Share tab Audio. To open Netflix, select Netflix from your list of tabs, then click Share. Successfully sharing your screen is shown by live next to your username. You can preview a thumbnail of what's displayed on your screen share. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.